Hey traders, good morning. Edison here at the Edison Trading Collective. It is Tuesday, March 15th. Just after market open, about 30 minutes or so since the market opened. I'm done for the day already. It was a very choppy open for me. I booked a very small profit here, net 459 on the day, on two shorts on Tesla, and I was pretty frustrated. I missed this entire move, probably because I was just so impatient out of the gates and struggled to book that, the two winning trades that I did and the small profit. And had I just sort of kind of chilled out a bit, I think I probably would have seen a clearer picture and really caught that move. But, bygones, I guess. So can't worry about it much anymore. So let's quickly get into it. I actually, I don't know why I took the first trade, to be honest with you. It was no entry at all. I ended up getting short here on this second rejection of 782. I called that out on Twitter earlier before the open, saying I thought this could be a pretty legit level, and certainly it is. I mean, if you look at this up here, maybe I'll extend this a little bit. If you look at these, large wicks around 782, clear rejection of the level. That level was something I was looking at yesterday as well, and so I felt pretty good about it. I ended up getting short here on this candle, and then adding again as it started to fail. Again for a second time, and then I ended up taking out right here for like 55 cents a contract. I had 4 contracts. I had 2, then I added 2 and made $210 or something like that. It was not a good trade at all. Well, fast forward about a minute or so to this candle here, the 835 candle. I ended up getting short there, 3 contracts, and took out on that candle there for about another $250 or so, to make my day $459 in the green. It, it, I don't even know what to say. I'm really frustrated and really irritated that I was so impatient. I don't know why I was so impatient today. I even called out on Twitter pre-market that just kind of let things take shape today, and nothing looked really great to me. No levels were really lining up. The SPY wasn't really lining up with Tesla, and the clouds weren't really lining up, and so there was really no reason for me to jump into a trade, and yet I did. So my fault, my mistake, and it cost me a really big move that could have been a really meaningful winner today. So yeah, got to work on that. It's something that I've struggled with for most of my career, really. It's gotten a lot better, of course, but it's just something that I struggle with. I don't like trading around here. I don't like this time period. So I feel that in order to maximize my profits in the market, it generally comes with an open of a trade in the first 5 minutes. And if I don't do that, then I end up getting kind of chopped around a little bit. It's just my makeup as a trader. All these upper wicks, why don't you just hang on? Sure, in hindsight, I would agree with you. That would have been an awesome decision, and I would have banked quite a bit of money. But it's just not how I trade, not how I see things. And this market is absolute garbage. Look at this nonsense in this. Frustrating. Anyway, I won't bore you with any more of my sob stories. Net 459 on the day. I think this is my 7th green day in a row, so I suppose I should just focus on getting a little bit better for tomorrow and get ready for the Fed meeting. It's going to be a wild one tomorrow. Everyone buckle up and be careful out there. Take care of yourselves. Thanks for swinging by the channel. Any questions or comments, I'm happy to answer them and engage with you on Twitter or YouTube, whatever you prefer. Be well.